primer, I'm going to apply this all over my face to ensure my makeup stays on all day. Taking my favourite foundation, I'm going to dot this all over my face and use a beauty sponge to blend it all out. Next, I'm going to take a concealer and place this in the areas that I want to brighten, which are under the eyes, on my nose bridge and in my smile lines. I'm then going to go back in with a beauty blender and buff that all out. Just to set my face, I'm going to go in with a light powder and tap this all over my face just to make sure that my makeup lasts longer and doesn't crease. Taking a light brown, I'm going to place this above my lid just for a light transition shade. Taking a darker brown shade, I'm going to concentrate this on the outer hollows of my eyes and slowly buff it to the inner corners. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend the two colours together just to prevent harsh lines. Taking a light cream shimmer shade, I'm going to place it on my lids where I left blank. Taking a gold pigment, I'm going to concentrate this on the center of my eyes and drag it all the way up to the top of where the shadow ends, just to capture the light and brighten up my eyes. Using a red liquid lipstick, I'm going to take an angled brush and line my eyes. Taking the same dark brown shade we used previously, I'm just going to apply this to the bottom of my eyes and slowly smoke it out. I'm also going to take some more of the gold pigment and place that along my lower lash lines and drag it out to the end of my wings. I quickly popped on some lashes and mascara on my bottom lash line, and this is the completed eye look. Taking a little bit of bronzer, I'm just going to apply this in the hollow of my cheeks, along my forehead and on the sides of my nose, just to bring a little bit more shape and colour back to my face. Taking a golden highlighter, I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Taking a light red tint, I'm just going to place this on the apples of my cheeks and blend that out across my nose. Now that we're onto the lips, I'm just going to take a red lipstick and apply that to the center of my lips and slowly dab it out. Finally, taking a clear gloss, I'm just going to apply this on top of the red lipstick. So that's the end of my Lunar New Year's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!